Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl, and in this video I'm making for you some crab stuffed shrimp, or stuffed shrimp for short, right after this. Alright, let me start off by showing you all the ingredients in this delicious recipe. Also, the ingredients to the recipe will be down in the description below. Alright, and also if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, hit that like button and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload other videos. Alright, so in a bowl I have some jumbo crab, some lump crab. Now I'm going in with all the ingredients. So now I'm giving everything a good mix, and I'm trying not to break up all the lumps. Some of them are going to get broken up, but I'm trying to keep some of them intact. Alright, here I am going with some Ritz cracker crumbs. You can also use saltine cracker crumbs or panko or fresh bread crumbs. So here I am going with a little clarified butter. And so I pretty much got it to the consistency I want, pretty much a consistency of making crab cakes or tuna fish. So here I got some 13-15 per pound shrimp, and I'm cutting on the bottom of the shrimp, and I'm just basically butterflying the shrimp. So the part that I open up, that's the part that's going to sit flat on the pan once I cook them. And then I'm going to put the crab mix on top, as you see here. So here I am putting the crab on top with the tail facing up. Alright, so here you go. This is how it should look. So now I got all my shrimp stuffed, and right here I'm just sprinkling a little bit of Old Bay seasoning on top, and also drizzling just a little bit of clarified butter on top, just to give it so when it bakes in the oven, it's going to give it a little bit of crust on top. So now I'm going into the oven for about 10 minutes at 400 degrees, and then I'm going to kick it up to broil at 500 degrees and just toast off the top. So here it is 15 minutes later, and here I am taking out the shrimp. Alright, so you see that nice crust on top? That's what you're looking for. Alright, so here I am just removing them from the pan that I baked them in, and just put them on the board so I can get me a nice picture for the thumbnail for this video. Yeah, so now that the recipe is done, I just want to thank everybody for checking out this crab stuffed shrimp video, or stuffed shrimp for short. Yeah, give this recipe a try. It's a great recipe for you having dinner guests, or you're having a special event at your home. This is something that you could also probably find at a really good high-end seafood restaurant, so it's definitely a restaurant quality dish. So on that note, I just want to thank everybody for checking out this video. I thank you for being a subscriber. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel. I could definitely use the support. Share the video with your friends on social media. Also, you can join my cooking group on Facebook at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. You can check me out on Instagram and TikTok at Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Yeah, and also leave comments in the comment section below, and let me know what other recipes you want me to make on this channel. And if you have any any pointers on how I'm making these things, I'm always open to constructive criticism. I told you to subscribe, but also when you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload other videos, and also smash that thumbs up. On that note, I say God bless, go forth in victory, catch you on the next video, peace.